morning, children. How are you all? All are fine, doing well? I'm also fine. Alright. So children, today is day 4 of chapter 4, How Clever. And today we will see, or you can say, we will recognize the difference between statement and question. Okay? So, understand the lesson objective? To recognize statements and questions. Okay? So, basically we will try to find out which sentence is a statement and which sentence is a question. Okay? So, ma'am has written few sentences for you on the board. Let me first read out and then we will see what type of sentence it is. This is my classroom. Are those Amit's books? It is time to read. Is that your English homework? No, it is my maths homework. Okay? So these were few sentences which I have written on the board. Now tell me children, after reading these sentences, did you find something difference in sentence में कुछ फर्क लगा आपको या all the sentences were same? Yes, you're right. There was a difference. Okay? सारे sentences एक जैसे नहीं थे. So let us see and try to find out what is that difference. Okay? अब एक एक sentence हम individually देखेंगे. See the first sentence. This is my classroom. Okay? It is a very plain sentence. This is my classroom. Now tell me, is it telling you something? Is the sentence telling you about a classroom? वो आपको कोई information दे रहा है? Yes, it is telling you that this is my classroom. Okay? So remember, the sentence that tells you something or gives you information about something, it is a statement. Okay? So I will write here the sentence which tells you something. Okay? The sentence that tells you something is a statement. Okay? तो इसको हम बोलेंगे, I will write here S for statement. ठीक है? Now let us move to the next sentence. Are those Amit's books? Now tell me, is this sentence telling you something? No. It is asking you something. Okay? तो क्या पूछ रहा है? Are those Amit's books? मतलब क्या वो बुक्स अमित के हैं? So it is asking you something. Alright? So the next point is the sentence that asks you something. Okay. Now let me rub this and I will write here. Okay? Sentence that tells you something is a statement. It is giving a statement. Okay? It is giving a statement. मतलब वो complete sentence है. So whenever we write a statement, we will put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay? So 2 points I told you. What is a statement? Sentence that tells you something is a statement, and statement will always end with full stop. समझ में आ गया? Okay. Now I was talking about the next sentence, that is, are those Amit's books? So in this sentence, something is being asked. Okay? कुछ question पूछा गया है. What is that question? कि क्या वो books अमित के हैं? Alright? So it is a question. Alright? So sentence, point number second part or second type, sentence that asks you something. Something that is a question. Okay? Understood? And tell me, we have already seen the previous topic also. जब भी हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और whenever we write a question, we always put a question mark. Okay, so this sentence will end with a question mark because it is a question. All right. Okay, now let us see the remaining sentences. Now will you be able to recognize them? Chalo देखते हैं. It is time to read. Okay, it is time to read. So is it telling you something or is it asking you a question? Yes, it is telling you something. It is giving you information. So it is time to read. What type of sentence it will be? Very good. It will be a statement. So whenever we are writing a statement, we are going to end it with a full stop. Okay? भूलना नहीं है. See the next one. Is that your English homework? अभी आपको information दे रहा है. Is that your English homework or is it asking you something? Very good. It is asking you something. पूछ रहा है क्या ये आपका इंग्लिश का होमवर्क है? Alright. So it is it? Is that your English homework? That means it is asking you a question. Okay? आपको वो सवाल पूछ रहा है. क्या ये आपका इंग्लिश का होमवर्क है? Got it? So it will end with a full stop. And what type of sentence it is? It is a question. Alright? Okay. The last one. No. It is my maths homework. Okay? तो ऊपर के सवाल को you are getting the answer. No, it is my maths homework. मतलब आपको information मिल रही है. It is telling you something. Okay? So what type of sentence it is? Will it be a statement or will it be a question? Very good. So it will be a statement and we will end it with a full stop. Understood, children? Okay. So we have seen what are statements, what are questions. Again, I will tell you, or let me recap that whenever a sentence tells you something or gives information, it is a statement. Statement is a complete sentence and you are going to end it with a full stop. Alright? And if it is a question, it is asking you something and it will always end up with a question. Got it? Are the points clear to you? Okay. So children, related to this topic, we will do Let's Try 4. So you will open your CB, Let's Try 4. Just open page number 49. Alright? Okay. So shall we start? Okay. So children, all of you have opened page number 49. Okay. So it is written statements and questions. Let me read for you. We use different types of sentences for the different things we want to say. Okay? तो हम अलग अलग टाइप के sentences यूज करते हैं जब भी हमें अलग अलग चीजों के बारे में बोलना होता है. When we want to tell someone something, we use a statement. Alright? So जब भी हमें कुछ किसी को बताना होता है तो हम statement यूज करते हैं. For example, Tenali Raman was a wise man. Okay, so we are giving information about Tenali Raman. हम तेनाली रामन के बारे में बता रहे हैं. Okay, we are telling something. So it is a statement. And can you see the statement? It is ending with a full stop. When we want to ask someone something, we use a question. Alright? So, for example, how do you catch a yard of smoke? Got it, children? So, if we want to ask someone something, we use a question. जैसे यहाँ है, how do you catch a yard of smoke? वो पूछ रहे कि a yard of smoke आपने कैसे catch किया और पकड़ लिया. Got it? Let's try 4. Read these sentences aloud. Can you hear the difference? Which ones are statements and which are questions? Write it in the space given next to the sentences. Okay? So few sentences are given to you. I will read for you. Even you are going to read it aloud with me. And you just try to hear and recognize the difference between both the sentences, okay? And then you will find out whether it is a statement or a question. Tina is sitting on a swing. Yes. What it is? Very good. It is a statement. Alright? So you can just write S and afterwards you will write the full form of S, that is statement. अभी फिर S लिखो आप सिर्फ. Is Rahul going to the park? It is a question. Very good. Just write Q. We will do it fast. Next. My mother is cooking dinner. So is it telling something or is it asking question? Yes, it is telling you something. It is giving you information that my mother is cooking dinner. So it will be a statement. Very good. Is my brother in your house? What it is? Wonderful. It is a question. Good. Now you are able to find out. Next. We are going to watch a movie. Statement. Very good. Are we at the right place? It is a question. So it will be question. Okay, question is been asked. Who scored the goal? Again it is a question. So you will write question. This is a nice dress. It is telling you something about the dress, that this is a nice dress. So it is a statement. Is that a new pair of shoes? Again it is asking a question. Are we going to eat ice cream? Again it is a question. Alright. So children, I hope you are able to recognize the difference between statements and questions. All the sentences start with a capital letter. The statements end with a full stop, while questions end with a question mark. Okay, so I told you earlier also that statements, they will end with full stop and question will end with a question mark. And all the sentences we are going to start with a capital letter. Alright, so quickly let us discuss. Let's try 5. Write the correct punctuation mark, full stop or question mark at the end of these given sentences. Okay, so children, I will read out the sentences for you और आपको question mark या full stop लगाना है. ठीक है? Okay. Rohit has a new book. Tell me fast. Question mark or full stop? Yes, full stop. Is that your desk? Question mark. There are many children in the garden. Yes, it will be a full stop. Do we have art class today? Question mark. Is that your school bus? Now you are going to write it, do it yourself. Okay, I have discussed 4. Remaining you will do it yourself. I will just read out the sentences for you. My shoes are wet. Tenali Raman was a clever man. Next. Was the king being fair? Did you know the answer? And last one is, where is the yard of smoke? Okay, so you will do it yourself. Let's try 5. ठीक है, अब हमने डिस्कस किया ना, बस आपको either you are going to put a question mark or a full stop. Alright children. Now children, you are going to open your practice book, that is page number 18. Okay. On page number 18, it is given statements and questions. So I will read for you. When we want to tell someone something, we use a statement. Example, this is my cat. Statements end with a full stop. When we want to ask someone something, we use a question. Example, is that your dog? All questions end with a question mark. Alright, now for your homework you will do my turn 3 and my turn 4. Now let me explain you what you have to do. Read these sentences put a full stop in the box after every statement and a question. Sorry, let me read it again. Read these sentences. Okay, put a full stop in the box after every statement and a question mark after every question. Okay, so few sentences are given to you. Either you are going to put a full stop or a question mark. First read it carefully. After every question, then underline all the articles if present in the given sentences. One has been done for you. Okay, so आपको दो चीजें करनी है. एक तो you are going to see whether it is a statement or question, and accordingly you are going to put full stop or question mark. अगर statement होगा तो आप full stop लगाओगे, and if it is a question you will put a question mark. And second thing what you are going to do is you will underline the articles. We have learned about articles. हमने articles देखे हैं. Can you quickly tell me कौन कौन से articles हमने देखे हैं? Yes, a, an, and the. Okay, so we have seen 3 articles. So you are going to find out if any article is present, and you will just underline that article. All right, see, one is been done for you. First one is, my mother is a doctor. So it is telling you something. That means it is a statement. So you will put a full stop in the box. Small boxes are given to you where you will put a full stop or question mark. Alright, so here it is a statement, so there is a full stop, and in this statement there is the article A article is there, so it is underlined. Alright, जरूरी नहीं है कि बेटा आर्टिकल आए, कभी कभी आता भी है, कभी कभी नहीं आता. So just see where it is and then you will underline. Okay, so let me read sentences for you. Are you going home? Next is, I am sleepy. D, the dog sleeps in the kennel. E, is that a gift? Next, do you live far from here? Next, I live in the city. And the last one is, does this train go to Mumbai? Okay, so I've read all the sentences for you. You will also read it loudly, and then you will put the full stop or question mark wherever it is required. And next thing what you are going to do, you will underline the articles. Okay. So children, that's all for today. Today we have seen the main difference between statements and questions. Again, I would like to recap that statements are the sentences where we want to tell someone something, okay, and it ends with a full stop. And when we want to ask someone something, it is a question, and we use end it with a question mark. All right, so these things you're going to remember, and do your Maitri, whatever homework I've discussed, you're going to do it and share the pictures with me. All right, so let me stop here only. Thank you and have a nice day.